Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Welcome to another exciting class. How was your day? I know for some of us it's already like late night. Thank you so much for sacrificing and for being here with us. Meeting starts in the next 3 minutes. Hi, Mayang. How are you doing today? Good to have you
Hi,
here.
doing good. How are you? Other things there?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you doing today? How was your day? I know it's like around 11:30-ish there.
Mhm. Yeah, it's night time right now. It's been
Oh my God.
yeah, just half an hour. The new day will start off.
Oh,
It's
I
midnight.
truly appreciate you for sacrificing today, this night, your sleep for us. Thank you so much.
No problem. I would like to request for the sharing screen if it's possible.
Okay, have I allowed you? I think I have.
Okay, thanks.
Yes. I will start very soon. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes for other people to join before we start.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, everyone. Hi, Vikram. How are you doing today? How is this job search coming along?
I didn't get you.
Good evening, everybody from here. Good evening, good night, and good morning for some of us. Hi, Modesta, how are you doing today? I'm trying to use two screens, so I think it's better. Please confirm if you can hear me. Hi, Ade doing? How
Yes,
are you doing? How was your day?
can hear you.
We are starting right about now. Let me know in the chat how you're feeling. How was your day? Are you excited about this class today? What do you want to learn? Let's hear that in the chat. Hi, Temitope, how was your day? What's going on? Is it me? I can barely hear anyone. Okay, I
Hi,
think it's from my
Gloria. Good
end. Let me
evening. My
see.
day. Good.
Okay,
Excited about the
awesome.
class. Looking forward to.
Awesome. I am also excited. Welcome to class. Welcome to class. Hi, Gloria. How are you doing? Hi, Deborah. How was your day? Osereme, how are you doing?
I'm very well. Good evening. Thank you.
Welcome. Good to
Good
see you.
evening.
Moibat, how was the fasting today? Awesome. Good to
Okay.
have you here. Thank you. All right, I think we have our people here. We can get started. Hi, Kende. Gracie, finally, I'm seeing you today. All right, let's get started. Okay. All right, welcome to class. Welcome to class. Welcome to class. Welcome to Switch to Tech. Is someone saying something? Or is it my network? I can hear.
No, it's okay.
I think somebody's mic is not muted and the person has some background noises. Hi, Gloria. This is
Okay,
Grace.
I think. Hi, Grace. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good to have you in class today. All right. Please just mute your mic so you won't have to distract other people, okay? Thank you. So let's start again. Welcome to Switch to Tech as a customer success mentorship program. And this program, like you all know, is just to help you, like empower you to get started, get your career started, and empower you to just move on in your career. Just be the best of yourself, giving you the skills to help you transition smoothly, network with industry leaders majorly. And it was brought to you by Gloria Michael and Elevate Your Customer Success Career. So let me know in the chat. This class will be recorded for education and evaluation purposes. Drop a yes, or you can unmute and tell me that that's fine with you, or just drop a plus for me to see. So we know we have your consent to get it recorded. Okay, I can see yes. Okay, yes. All right, so we are good to go. Thank you all. Keep the yes coming. All right, so let's go over our norms before we get started today. So like you all know, you have to be in a Zen environment so you won't have to distract others. Like someone that had their mic on earlier, you will disrupt the whole class if by just leaving your mic on and you're not in a Zen environment. By a Zen environment, I mean a quiet environment that you won't have distractions, nobody is flying up and down, nobody is probably naked or something like that, so you will not distract the rest of the class. Okay, so it's very important that you are in a Zen environment. The second thing is you have to have your camera on. It's always very good to have your camera on to minimize or manage distractions. You know, if you don't have your camera on, you won't be so, you'll just be probably doing other things while you feel you're in class. And this class was put together for you to get maximum value. For you to get value from this class, you need to have your camera on. So you need to pay attention. All right. And the last but not the least, of course, is for you to contribute in class. You don't just come to class like a ghost and go back. You need to contribute, ask questions when you're not clear. Anything that you need, maybe clarity or we have any question, make sure you ask. If you want to contribute as well, please make sure you do that as well. All right, let's go into today's class. Today we have Mayank Beas with us. Please, I need to have all the emojis because right now he's sacrificing his sleep to be with us. So we're going to talk about customer retention techniques, strategies for increasing customer loyalty and lifetime value. Let me go over and just talk a bit about him. Okay. Mayank Beas has over 8 years of experience in sales, solution selling, and customer experience. Mayank has helped businesses drive growth, enhance customer relationship, and implement digital strategies that truly make an impact. As a senior key account manager, he has successfully led customer engagement analytics projects, boosting customer satisfaction, retention, and loyalty. Plus, with an MBA in marketing and operations and multiple certification in project management, Google Analytics, and Jira, he brings a wealth of knowledge to the table. So today he is not just here, it's not just about theories, he's here to share his real world experience with us and how he has been able to navigate challenges and achieve success in the industry. Please help me welcome Mayank Beas to the podium. I want to see all the emojis and all the shout outs. Please, let's see that comment. All right.
Thank you.
Good to have you here.
Hi
Please,
everyone, good evening, good morning.
Good morning. You can share your slide.
Thank you everyone, and thank you for joining over here. I think it's a very good participants, and I can see a lot of people to be coming up for this session. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity right now. I'll try to share my knowledge and experience over here with this particular session. These slides are just for your knowledge and insightful purpose. Basically, I'll try to convey my thoughts that I've been able to taken care of my customers, of doing engagement with them, retaining them, and also showing the value. It's which we say in different terms as a loyalty, that when we're building the relationships with them. So before wasting too much of time, I'll just try to share my screen and just take you through what all things I will be covering up with you. And later on, if you want, I can share these slides with you also. So just let me know once the screen is visible with everyone. Is this okay for everyone? You can just do the thumbs up.
Yes, I can see your screen here.
Great.
Yes,
So this is what basically I have been, I would say, portray my slide as a customer retention mastery, but I have not done any mastery kind of thing. Frankly speaking, it's just about that how strategically we are approaching for building loyalty and maximize the lifetime value for the customer. So if everyone's just started off your career and did some basic certifications towards your customer success, you have been heard about that or read about it, that this customer success thing been started off, kicked off back in 2000 with the Salesforce kind of thing, when they seen a lot of customers are churning out from their organizations due to they have some business policies are like that. So they have first of all introduced the SaaS word, that keyword in the industry, the word which we are say in our day-to-day life We have maintained the churn of below 5% or 3%. The ARR of 3 CR or $300 million. MRR is around $45,000 of my account. So all these keywords, all these insights which we are showcasing nowadays to our customers in our day-to-day task, in our MBRs, in EBRs, while we interacting with the C-level people, stakeholders, executives. This all things started back in 2000 with the Salesforce when they have implemented these kind of strategies, these kind of KPIs and OKRs with their set of people in the specific department of the specific services to understand whether it would be a successful or not. It would be a kind of, this was a kind of a beta project for them, and it went successful. They saw a lot of renewals with their customers. They saw a lot of growth potential. Business revenue exponentially went up in the first 2 quarters when they have implemented. So they slowly implemented this strategy over there across the organization, and then the whole world across sectors, various companies adopted these methodology, that how exactly things are there. And this is how the SaaS is growing right now, and a lot of companies now been adopting the SaaS methodology instead of the old school methods. So this is how I've been taking care of it. So we'll go to the next slide. So I have kept an agenda right now, so that what currently we are in state, that how we are working nowadays with our companies, with our customers in our day-to-day life, what kind of proven strategies are there, like STAR methodology, SMART goals, uh, SWOT analysis, kind of things which we are doing in our day-to-day task, kind of thing. So this all things we'll try to see, and how we are getting ROI. Then what should be the most best value driven communication approaches should be there. In that way, we should not be a lag behind, or there should not be a communication gap between you and the customers, because this is the one of the key channel which I always uh, try to emphasize with everyone, not only the people who just started off their career, but also the experienced guys, the professionals which are right now working in this industry. Uh, if your communication is a proper, if your communication channel is a proper, then you will have, then you have won the half of your battle. Okay, so this is one of the things which we have to be take care of it. And then the last but not least, I have added the new thing right now, which is a keyword or the buzzword in the industry, in the market right now, the AI driven things. So how AI powered customer retention would be the future of customer success, how we can take care of those things, what are the ethics and kind of things. So I'll just try to take care of that particular thing also in this session. So this is what something I have been want to take in the beginning itself. I just want everyone to be scan this QR code and let me know once everyone is joined. So I just want one poll that want to understand what are the biggest challenge in customer retention today in your opinion. So you just try to do. I'll start off this thing in front of you. I'll put up a question for you.
Kindly scan and join the quiz so that you'll be able to participate in the quiz, everyone. Either you scan or you go to slido.com, then you type in the number you are seeing on the screen.
So I think we are getting not much, but I think a lot of people are answering it. Just give me 1 minute. I think somewhere I was coming. Yeah, 3 people have given us answers. A lot of more have been, I think, given us. So once everyone is done, just let me know. I'll just go ahead over there with the next thing. I think some of them answered as a personalization. I think this is what I've been also covering up right now, and this is one of the key factor. I think this thing I have also taken up in my last session when I have been associated with this Elevate community. In last session also I have been taken up a lot of things and given a lot of examples and experiences across personalization. I hope many more people will try to answering it. If they are facing any challenges, just let me know. Else you can just write anything which is coming up in your mind. There is nothing right. There's nothing wrong over here. Lack of good product. Okay, yeah, good. Okay. I think I got a lot of answers. We got a lot of different opinions right now. So let's cover up. Yeah, someone is typing it. We'll just wait for them for a couple of seconds and then we'll just move ahead. Yeah, I think it's the same thing. High expectations from the customers. Okay, alternative product options. But I think it would be a good thing. Yeah, poor communication with the customers. We got the communication with the first answer. Yeah, fine. I think we got a lot of answers. So we'll just move ahead. Just one person is typing a difficult onboarding thing. Yeah, I'll just take care of that also and customer expectations. So I think it's more or less people have been understood what the challenges are there and almost the common things are coming up. So this is what basically the things comes up over here, that why retention matters, that why Salesforce as a company had decided to come with that particular approach, and now in our day-to-day life, why all the companies are focusing about the retention thing. Because we all know that we are doing right now the farming approach currently in the customer success thing is not a direct hunting approach you have to adopt. It's a kind of a farming approach that we need to adopt over there. Yeah, it's a blend of hunting thing where you have to uh, uh, take care of or acquire new logos within that account. You have to uh, create some value against that particular account or that particular customer with the terms of your relationship, with in terms of your communication, in terms of the problem statement which they are trying to solving in the industry. What kind of an analysis and what kind of strategy you have been adopted with that particular client, whether you have adopted smart goals to achieve that thing, whether you have done star methodology, whether you have adopted SWOT analysis, whether you have adopted some other methodologies which are available in the in right now. So it depends how you are taking up that approach and working with that customer. That creates a lot of value because based on that they are uh, renewing the contracts. And for company, for an organization, whether it's a small organization or whether it's a big organization, if the same customer is getting renewed multiple times, the automatically the best thing which comes up that you are getting an ROI. That if a customer bought a particular platform, for an example, around $30,000 for an year, he has signed up a contract with your company. Now, if he is right now renewing that particular thing for next 2 to 3 years and getting out an ROI by transforming digitally or getting some data insights from that or from the our platform to help or to strategize their business objectives, I think he's getting most out of it, because the first time when he's paying that money, he's paying the one-time setup fees also, which is related to the implementation and onboarding fee we are asking for. So it means that he is just paying $25,000 in the 1 year, uh, because $10,000 was just for implementation cost. But now next year, when we are renewing the contract, we are asking him, that company, to pay $30,000 or $35,000 because of the data storage or the server cost or some other customizations which we have done to make it workable and to intact and to servers and to make sure that things are being at the right things. So the money which he's paying, automatically we are just taking that money in during the renewal cost. So he's right now no gain, no loss thing, and he's earning the profit, nothing like that. Because if you know that some of the companies, when implementing the things, the CRM in their company, uh, after 3 months and 6 months, we are hearing the news in the market that yeah, they earned, they got funded with some $5 million, they are funded with some $30 million, and that would be the proud moment for us, because they have implemented our platform, our solutions, and post that these things are happening for them, that they're getting funding, they're getting recognitions, they're getting digitally transformed, and which is giving them global recognitions. So this is what the retention works a lot of ways. So it not increase your profits, but also it saves your cost when you're acquiring new logos as a direct hunting. So this is why the retention matters a lot for us. Then in this particular AI era, um, this retention is very important thing for us, because right now you might have heard about that this AI thing is boon, but it sometimes it becomes bane for things. It's like a foe or friend for you. If you work accordingly and align with the standards, it would be a friend for you. But if you have not understood its importance, its realistic things, what exactly the AI can do, if you're not implemented it properly, then it would become foe for you, and it would be take you at different level, and you would be at your downfall side. So you have to understand those things. You have to understand what the AI capabilities are there, what exactly the AI can do, and how you can take that next level with your customer within your organization, and take that your organization up to the next level, generate the revenue, increase the profits for that, and show that company is also growing exponentially. Along with that, you're making your client growth exponentially. So this is what I just take a few things like competency cliff, AI explainability, and novelty effect. It means that how these AI things are working right now in this era right now. Competency means that how competent we are, how we are right now making ourselves and educate our customers with those AI things. How well we are integrating the automations and AI things in our product and solutions and helping the customers over there. If I take a pause a little bit and just want to understand from you people, like I think nowadays you people have been surrounded with a lot of AI tools over here, and you might be using a lot of AI tools. I think, if I am not wrong, you might be using uh, Chat GPT, you might be using Claude AI, you might be using Jasper, you might be using Gamma, you might be using Perplexity. So it you might be just using just to or Quillbot, which just to make the rephrase the things, write the email for the customers, write the email for HR, or might be some or the other day-to-day task, right? If I'm not wrong, if you people can just give the thumbs up kind of thing for this, if you are using these kind of tools right now for your day-to-day task, if it's possible for everyone. Just a small thumbs up. It gives me a boost. Yeah, you people are right now engaging with me. You are listening to me. I'm not giving a boring things to you right now. Okay, fine. I got the answer. Fine. So I think this is what I'm trying to saying that particular thing. So uh, we are using all these things, so we have to make sure that whatever the things we are taking care of it, we have to be very transparent, we have to make it more competent. This is what my last slide was mentioned to. And the most important thing which we also got an answers from a lot of your participants when I have given you the poll right now, the challenges which are coming up. So we got that key word over here, the personalized things. This is what something is playing a lot of role right now in AI world, in AI era. If I'll give you one small example, some of you might be attended my last session and they might be knowing about it, that I have given one great example of personalization related to the Spotify and the Netflix and Amazon, that how these companies are playing with a mindset of ours when we are playing some musics, listening some musics, searching some musics over there, and based on that our intent of search, they're giving us the personalization things over there. If you are a free user of Spotify and you try to uh, takes the premium version of Spotify, and you click on the student version of suppose 4 rupees or 5 rupees or $10 or $1, it depends on the market, the price it comes up, and you just go up to the last step, and then you didn't click on the submit, you're not going to the final phase, you're not completing that particular step of paying the money to the Spotify, and you just do this thing going to the last funnel and repeating this task for 3 to 4 times, you might be observed it after 1 week or after a few days, you're getting intent based and personalized message to your Spotify or to your email that we have reduced the cost by up to 10%, by 5% more, which gives you and force you that you please buy that particular thing, right? So this is what the personalized and intent thing is playing a very vital role in that. And we got into that particular trap ki, yeah, I saw the 1 week ago it was around 30 rupees for 3 months, and now they have just decreased it up to 20 rupees for 3 months, or 20 it was for $10 and now it's $5 for 3 months, the Spotify. So we get into the trap, but they have read that data, they have analyzed that how we have to personalize the things for you, and based on that they are showing those results for you, and we are getting into it. So this is how the things work over here. So this is right now what I'm just explaining you. The retention strategies are also working on that right now. But first of all, how you can acquire your customer on the platform, how you can make that strategy that it should come to your platform, it should use your platform, it should take your platform first, and then once you get team convinced, yeah, this is only the right solution for you in the market, which can solve your problem statement and business use case which you are looking for it right now, you can make them on board properly. You have to engage them properly. You have to become a customer advocate over here. So here advocacy means the customer advocate. You have to be a customer advocate internally, where you have to work cross functionally, you have to show your team collaboration approach uh, over here when you're working internally. Because for customer, if you will become customer advocate internally, first of all, you are developing your interpersonal skills over here with the custom cross-functional collaboration, leadership, team, I would say as a team player over here. With these three skill sets you have been learned, just become one customer advocate kind of thing for the customer to solving the business use case. So see that output which you are getting it right now, that if you are adopting this methodology, you are personally also developing your interpersonal skills, and which is helping you out not only for your personal growth, but it also helping you for your organizational growth, your client acquisition growth, the engagement which you are taking care of it, which gives you a better result in the long term, that they renewing your cycle, the renewals, when the renewal cycle comes up, they are renewing it for multiple times. They renew it at very good rate. They will not raise any concerns. It will become very easy renewal for you. You just need to send the proposals and the renewal will happen. Or few customers will be like that ki, yeah, please let me know when is the renewal is due for us, please renew our contract, we don't want to leave your platform right now. The support which we are getting it from your side, and the guidance which you are giving, and the solutions which you are offering to us, it's really helpful for us. So we want to stay and use your platform at 100% of it. Please let us know if any new features are there in your product roadmap. We want to use those new features to solve our other business problems. So this is what the things comes up automatically when you are going with these four approaches. So this is how the things comes up with a customer lifetime value, which I just trying to explaining you the things that how the things comes up. If you're going with the right strategy, if you work with the right strategy, if you work with your right mindset, the positive mindset, the automatically we can increase the customer lifetime value. So if I'll say, take a short example, right? Whenever you are working, or when you ever doing your day-to-day task, onboarding customers or implementing them, or doing some upsells and cross sells, doing your daily stand-ups kind of thing, or daily calls with your customers, you might be heard from your managers, and some of your managers are there, or senior level people. You might be giving your guidances and teachings to your junior team members and peers, that please make sure that you will always be involved in your end-to-end customer lifecycle journey, right? In these approaches, you always heard these kind of keywords over there that your senior management says, or the leaders who give the lot of speeches and webinars are conducting, they always say customer lifecycle journey is very important. So can you let me know why they are mentioning these things, or anyone have any idea if they want to share their own experience just for 1 minute? Just if anyone can just share me that what exactly the idea behind it, if anyone wants to. There's nothing right, there is nothing wrong. It's just an expression, and it's just an engagement I'm doing with you. For me, you are a customers, right? So I'm trying to want to become an advocate, and I want to engage with you as much as I can. So yeah, you can just shoot your experiences. It would be great learning from your side. Anyone can share their experiences. Just unmute yourself and share your experiences. Anyone? Uh, is it like I'm boring, or I'm not audible, or like how exactly is it? If someone can help me out.
You're not boring. I personally don't have any experience like that, so that's why I'm not
No,
answering.
no problem. Anyone else? Anyone else can just share the few words. Just let tell us. So it would be more engaging with for me also, that I can understand. Kia, you people are getting the sense of it. What I'm trying to spread the message and the experience over here. Okay, no problem. I'll give you one small example from my experience over here, that how exactly I take those things and how I'm exactly taking this customer lifetime value kind of thing. So I worked uh, one of the biggest company, or I would say one of the great company in the agri-tech uh, from Nigeria. That company is FMAN, Flour Mill Association of Nigeria. They had one project with government of Nigeria. So that project I got it uh, through our one of our partners in Africa called Mercy Corps. They have helped us to get that particular customer onboarded over there. So it was a great experience for me. If I would say that I got an opportunity to work along with a lot of scholars, information officer from government of Nigeria, chief data officer of government of Nigeria from Department of Technology and Information. So these are the senior level people and executive level of the people who were involved in that particular project. So the main objective and the problem statement was that they want to solve is about, they want to see that how the wheat is getting produced across the 15 LGAs. I think in Nigeria we have a different zones and subzones kind of things in term which we are represented through LG as a whole uh, area, a local government agency kind of thing, which we call, I think, local government agency, I think, if I remember correctly. So they want to want to do some research and analysis based for those specific 15 LGAs, that which are the lowest producing LGAs and which are the strong largest wheat producing LGAs, and what are the factors behind that to coming up with that, what are the influencing factors are there for them that they are lowest producing LGA and and these are the highest producing LGAs. So we run a lot of AI models, data science models, because my company was offering an AI data science models on crops. So that a couple of them, the crop insights was there. Uh, when I was back working in crop in that time, those things solutions are there. We are also offering smart irrigation things. We are also offering disease model, with early warning system kind of thing to them. So when we ran the models for them, every 15 days, I'm giving them the insights. I'm giving them the value, okay, how the your crop look like, where it shows that high potential of wheat producing and which are the lowest producing wheat producing areas, and what are the factors behind that, what are the geographical influence factors, what are the socio-economic factors are there. So when I'm representing the data, when I become putting across those segments to them, all these senior stakeholders, the scholars and other professors and associate professors were also involved. When they're analyzing and giving the feedbacks, it gives us a lot of exposure at that point of time for me. And I requested my seniors that allow these data science people and the internal teams who are running these models and working on these models to attend these meetings. They will not be the customer facing, but at least listen what the customer is giving the feedback. So based on that, we can train that model. We can personalize that particular thing, that if we can achieve some kind of an efficiency up to 80 to 85% with our model and personalize the things what they're looking for it, because we have achieved the things, they like the results that what we are showcasing to them, the analytical things, the personalized things, the images which we are showcasing to them, they we have banged on things, we have done various right things at the right moment, but we have to strategize the things, we have to show the value over there, and in the result you will, I think some of them will not believe or trust also, but the thing was that the output was so great that after having the 3 months of that successful project, the report which I wrote along with the help of those leaders and everyone, that report is still live, is still published on Government of Nigeria website, which is your website called, I think, NDS something, the website is there of the government of Nigeria website, where you still the 2021 wheat producing with the help of Cropin, still that report is available over there. So you can just go and download if you want. I can also share that report later on. So this is how that value is created. And the project, when it was came with me, it was around $50,000 of ARR, and later on it become $75,000 project, which they increased that LGS from 15 to 30 LGS, just double of it. So you can see that how that particular current value and the future potential thing, I have analyzed it, I have understood it, and become the customer advocate, and pushed my internal teams, worked along with them for the 3 to 4 months rigorously to show that better results. And that's how I won that customer. So this is how I've been taking care of the things, that how this real-time strategies and intent-based and cementing search, these three keywords are always play a very vital role in your personalization strategies. Um, if I'm not wrong, I think a lot of you have been used right now these days for your research work and everything. A very uh, most buzzing AI tool called Perplexity. If you people are using, you can just give a thumbs up or something over here again if you're using it right now. You can just please start giving your responses by just thumbs up in the chat right now, that if you more people are using the AI tool called Perplexity or Chat GPT, Claude AI, Jasper, any AI tool which you're using it right now these days for your day-to-day task. Right. So yeah, good. I'm getting the good responses right now. Once again, uh, I think I'm giving the right things. I'm on right track. Fine. So if you have seen those things, so I'll tell you what exactly you might be observed over there. That when you're using the Perplexity, you using some keyword. I'll just show you the right live example for you people. So it would be great things for you. Let's see. See, I have been opened up over here. Okay. So I'll just show you that I was searching something over here right now. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. My laptop is little bit hanging on. Just give me 1 minute. I think it will be back for you. Yes. I think now it's working. See. So I wrote something. I was searching something related to my committees which I have joined for my uh, college. I think with this tab also I've been doing something and all. Fine. So you have seen that I'm just searching with something with a, I ask my Perplexity that please create some blueprint which I need to present to my committee members and to senior people, that what exactly I will be planning up in the academic committee which I've been part of from my college as an alumni. So it has given me some answer that what exactly I can do, what are the alignment and all those things. But apart from that, it also given me a suggestions over there below. So I just clicking on this different. So these, you can see the intent, what I'm trying to searching on it. So it gives me a different, again, personalizing my things, showing my intent, searching my intent and the history and the data and the prompt which I'm giving. And based on that, again, it is giving me some suggestions over there. Yeah, you might be looking for these particular questions. You might be having in your mind to elaborate to, might be you want to go more deeper into that, what colors you might be using in your logo, because you might be designing the logo, you might be want to make it more colorful, more impactful kind of thing. What kind of uh, elements you want to incorporate to make it more to showcase that vision and mission should be there in your logo. So you can see that how that Perplexity AI is helping me a lot, just to make sure that my logo which I'm trying to making it for that particular committee, to make it align with vision and mission, get personalizing the things, showing, getting my intent from that search history and giving me those results. So this is what things right now the AI tools are doing it. This is how we also have to make sure that when we are working with our customers and we are solving the problem statements, we also have to understand the things. Okay, we have to show that intent things, we have to understand their intent, what exactly they need, so we can personalize the things accordingly. If I right now click on this thing, okay, it gives me a result, something, and later on for below, I would again get some of the other on this intent based, some other recommendations also. So you can see the images recommendations automatically coming up with me. Again, it is giving me what are my best combinations. So this is a live example. I just want to show you that what, how the personalization strategies right now, a lot of AI tools, if you're using it, it's giving you those things right now. So I hope you like this live session of this AI tool, which you're using it right now, day to day life. I just move ahead with my presentation right now. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So this is what I basically try to mention it. So this is how the thing comes up. The most important thing right now, which I would suggest to everyone to get focus on these things, that whenever any complaint, whenever any conflicts happens, whenever any issue comes up, and you have to handle those things when it's a very aggressive customer, when it's a very irritating customer, when it's very frustrated customer is coming up and with their issues and escalations. So to handle it very patiently, just follow these things. I would tell you 100% that this strategy will help you out a lot. It will gives you a lot of relaxed things. I would say a lot of I would say, in other words, a chance to get into a driver's seat, and your customer will say ki, yeah, please let me know your recommendations, your suggestions, accordingly we'll work on those things. Okay, so first of all, you have to listen them carefully, what exactly they want to say to you. Acknowledge the things. Just don't say, yeah, sir, it's not my custom platform problem, it's not my product problem, you might be doing some mistake and your agents are not doing work, you people are very inefficient, kind of things. Never use these negative words, never use these negative phrases in front of the customer. These are the things which makes customer angry. If you're trying to solving, if your intent is good, but if you use these kind of phrases and words, you will never win your customer. So you have to be very careful when you're using your words. So this is what the communication comes up into the picture. Your communication should be very proper. So you have to acknowledge the things. If he's saying that you are wrong, you are doing these things because of your platform, it has been happening, acknowledge it. Yes, sir, I got your point, what you're trying to say. Yes, sir, I totally agree with you that this might be happened with you. I'm very sincerely apologize for it. But sir, I think there would be some things are there which might be have occurred at your side, because I have checked it, these things which you mentioned to me, I am not able to replicate. So the polite way, that approach which you're doing it, when you're acknowledging it, you have resolved his 50% of the problems, because he forgot it what exactly is trying to solving the problem. Now is the issue which you're trying to solving, it is might be very silly problem, and you will able to give him the chance. Or sometimes he will just cross check with his team and the problem will be get solved. So within the first three approach itself, you have solved the customer problem. So this is how you have to handle the customer and the complaints over there. Then you have to do the regular follow-ups with the customer. That's exactly right now, whether it's working properly for you, can I help you more, is it any other concerns are there where I can help you out and can improve myself. So the fifth thing which is there, that whenever you are coming as a proactive approach and doing the follow-ups and asking for the more improvements kind of things, automatically things will be in your bucket. This is how the implementation roadmap is also comes up. So when you are doing these kind of things, your implementation will become very easier over here, because you are giving them not only the matrices and the dashboards and everything, but you are also giving them an improvised platform. You have, or might be doing some framework of 30, 60, 90-day plan, that targets which you're giving to the customer, you're formalizing the things, you're making that strategy, you're making that blueprint in the 30, 60, 90-day plan, making the wireframes and everything. So if you're doing all these approaches collectively and properly, automatically your implementation will be at very good scale. And now you will be in that journey of your life, customer life cycle journey from end to end, because you have giving them the right things, you're giving them the right up, you are doing the right approach. Because early warning means what? Sir, we are implementing this thing, if you are not giving me this particular information, we will be in the risk, we will not able to achieve our timelines, will it will delay our delivery, we will not achieve our go live milestones. So these are the things which means for the early warning. Dashboard means you are showing the dashboard, sir, this is what the activity which is dependent on me, these are the activities, sir, which is dependent on your side. You have to share me some information, you have to share me some data regarding this implementation. If you're not able to share with me, I cannot proceed further for my development and can't ask my tech team to take care of this thing. So these are the things which showcase the transparency things, and these are the most important things in this AI era. If you're not taking care of this thing, it will become a troublesome things for you, and that's what I will be covering up right now for you. So again, I have one small thing for you. You please scan the QR code. I'll just want you to take care of the small survey over here. So I just want that you should take care of it. I'll just initiate that particular thing for you right now. So everyone can able to see one question I just asked. It's a multiple things, so you can just take care of that.
I don't think we can see the slide or the survey.
No, we can't see.
No, it's not a slide. It's just simply on your concern. I'll just sharing my screen right now once again. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
I think now it would be this kind of question might be you're having it. I think only one person has answered it. More people, you can just go ahead. It's just a simple poll thing is there. There's nothing wrong, nothing right. It's just simply a kind of an poll. I'm taking care of it. That in your terms, till now, what we have discussed, what we have understood, what do you think that would be the most impactful things? Okay. So I think everyone thinks that customer support thing is the most important impacting factor. Uh, we have 10 more participants. If you people can also uh, go with this thing, just poll it out. Just click one button and it would be done. Just put your vote against like that. It's just your right to vote kind of thing I'm giving you as a citizen of your own country, wherever you are, you have right to vote. So please vote over here also. So right to vote in Elevate community. Okay, fine. I think we got a lot of responses right now. So I'm good with it. And we got an answer with everyone. Yeah, we getting the customer support thing is getting more and more options. So yeah. So so we have understood the point right now that how exactly the things are there right now in the market, what we have to take care of it. Right. And the customer support is the best way right now for us, for everyone, that we need to take care of it. So you people are right. There is nothing wrong for pricing and things. I would say it comes up, but all these things comes up at later stage, because if your support is good, then only you can take care of the other things, because they always like to see what kind of help and support and availability of agents we are getting it from the company side. So 24/7 things which we are say in our day-to-day uh, task or in day-to-day activities, this is always be important, plays important role over there. So in customer support, you have to be a customer advocate, you have to listen, you have to follow that 5 strategies which I mentioned to you. If you're doing that particular thing, then automatically you will be having a good NPS and good CSAT scores, and which is always every company is looking out for it. And everything depends on that also, that how well you are providing the support, how well your product is there, and solutions are there. Now thing comes up which is very interesting and very important uh, thing is here, AI powered thing, which we need to see that in this current world era right now, how AI is powering the customer success. I'll just give you one small example over here, that in current organization where I'm working out at, in the previous organizations wherever I worked, I've been deployed and implemented a lot of Gen AI products and solutions. I've given you one small example of that when I'm working with the government of Nigeria, where also we have deployed AI solutions, data science models. So my current organization itself providing that particular platform and the solutions to the customers, which is helping the customer support team. They are increasing right now their NPS and CSAT scores. We have been various prestigious companies of India and globally using our platform right now to improve their NPS and CSATs, and their L1 agents and L2 agents which are coming in the customer support. our customer service teams are there to improve their efficiency, to automate their processes and kind of things. So this is how the tools are there which helping you out for complaint resolutions and satisfactions, that always the conversational intelligence platforms detect frustrations, may markers in real time, and also what exactly it means that for you. So you might be come across with the voice bots, if I'm not wrong, that whenever you're calling on to the banks or to any e-commerce companies, like in India we have Flipkart, and as a globally we all know of the Amazon. Whenever you're having any order issues, you always calling to that customer care, and instead of a human, we have some humanized robotic voice thing in the backend, which takes care of the whole complaint process which they have defined in their system. Whatever the things you are trying to portray, they understand your words, they understand your frustration, the low tone, the level which you are talking about, and based on your tonality and the words which you're using, they try to empathize you, they're giving you the some kind of a solution. And they always mention that, yeah, we will try to connect with our some agents which can help you all again in a different way, and the different complex problems which might not be trained that model right now. But yeah, up to 90% it helped you out, but next 10% they say, yeah, our agent can give you more details about it, and they have the access kind of thing. So it means you always already have been, they taken you up to that level that the human intervention is very less. So the cost which is right now, companies are taking care to train uh, their people, or to allocate some resources for this small issues, that where is your order, where is my order, when I can get my order, what is the delivery date, what are the issues, when can I get it, all these kind of small issues and the concerns coming up. Instead of a person, a voice humanized robot can help you out over there. So this is how the companies are right now using these tools and solving your problems and giving you the right satisfaction level, and you are then giving them the scoring and the star rating of 5 star and 4 star kind of things. This is how the some insights are there, that how the real-time guidance these companies are giving, not only the Amazon, but also when you're booking any tickets through your any airlines in your country, in wherever you are. If you want to do the web check-in, if you want to see the status, if you want to know what would be the flight status right now, where exactly it is, you always go on the website and talking with a chat bot. Now every companies on their own website, they have a chat with our expert. In the right side, automatically the pop-up comes up, and due to these things, now the companies are reading and analyzing the data, that okay, how many tickets we are able to solve through bot itself, where are the challenges are there, where we can improvise the things, where what are the basic inquiries and complaints and issues are coming up, which bot is right now taking care of it. So from that analysis, from those insights, we can improve our product, we can retain our customers, because till the human intervention comes up, till the agent will try to type it and reply, it might take around 30 to 45 seconds. Whereas if we have a bot, sorry, 1 to 2 minutes, whereas bot is can just give you reply within 30 to 40 seconds, right? So which is a way faster than what the agent thinks about it. Then he will type a particular response, and it takes some time, up to 1 to 2 minutes. Whereas the responses which is we already trained to our voice bot and the chat bot, the LLM models right now, it gives that particular response to customer in 30 to 45 seconds, and the resolution has been given to the customer. He's happy. He's giving you the right, a good NPS score, a good CSAT. When you're doing the CSAT survey, you're getting the good score over there, right? So this is how the data-driven insights our companies right now are running over there, and this is how the AI is helping them over there. This is again the same thing which is related to the tools which they have been using it to capture the tone and the tonality, the words which you are using, the conversation patterns. According to that, they're analyzing your conversations, and according to that, they're asking you the next questions, the follow-up questions. So based on that, they can help you out. So these are the some basic things. I don't want to take you through the each pointers and all. I have uh, summarized this whole slide into the next slide kind of thing, that what exactly the ethics of AI means, for which are covering up across these 4 points over here. That basically you have to be very transparent. You have to show the transparency among your customers. You have to be showcase the things about the privacy, that okay, how much your data secure is there, because a lot of companies right now become HIPAA client if here it's related to healthcare, GDPR compliance if you are working for European countries and European clients, because they are always want that GDPR compliance over there. If you're not that GDPR compliant, then they always feel very insecure about the data and the while working along with you, because for them this is the standard guidelines to work with anyone when they have the data things. Oversight and explainable AI, it means that you have a right approach, you have a right solution, you have a right platform, and an automation in place which gives a right training to your customer. Your a customer is able to understand your platform and automation, the things that it can follow up as per the industry standard and solve the and can able to solve its own problem through AI technology which we are offering to them, the AI solution which we are offering to them, right? So this is how we can take care of it. Recently, I have one case study for my current organization. If I'll talk about, I've been implemented and fast lane kind of a solution, or I would say an auto QA. Again, one of the solution in the product in my recent organization, which I'm working out. We have deployed these solutions and products in one of the biggest e-commerce or D2C brand in India. The name is Big Basket kind of thing, and Misho is also there, which I'm handling it right now. So for these clients, when we are working with them, we have did a lot of customizations. We have added a lot of automations over there for Big Basket, the auto QA thing, and the other AI things, the GenAI features which we are having it, we have deployed. So it helped to them in such a way uh, that their customer retention has been increased by 4x to 5x. And not only that number which is showing it right now, the 41% increase in their NPS and CSAT score, that overall satisfaction level which they are getting from the customers is way beyond from 41%, because the AI thing which is working for them, the automated responses which are coming up, the way we have trained that LLM model according to their needs, it is so, on instant basis, that within 5 to 10 seconds you are getting your next response. If you are updating your image that yeah, you received some wrong product, you received some uh, tempered product, you uploading your attachment in the chatbot, and that bot itself with that the training thing is giving you the response within 10 to 15 seconds or more, max to max 45 seconds ki yeah, this is a tempered product, we are very sorry for this particular thing and we are giving you the right response, let me know how can you help you out, whether you want a refund or whether you want a next day delivery. So see that how that approach comes up. As a human also, if you will talk with that customer, you will also give that kind of personalization thing, ki sir, I'm very sorry, I can see that this is a wrong product or tempered product, please allow me some chance that I can deliver you the right product, or I can refund your money, something like that. But here then AI and automation which we have incorporated, that bot is itself giving that particular thing, personalizing the things, the response it is giving according to that intent, might be customer need and product, might be he wants a refund of that money of that particular product of in his account, so he can use it once again. So this is how we have revolutionized the whole thing for that particular company, and it helped them in their customer trust, they're in retaining them, and they get very good NPS scores and CSAT scores over there. So this is how that future of AI is right now there. That Gen AI, we can tailor we can do the tailored approaches, we can do personalized approaches, kind of things. You see a lot of logistic companies like Blue Dart and the global company FedEx, which takes care of it. You get some lot of automated messages, a lot of automated SMSs, tracking things. You just click on it, it gives you real-time insights, whether it's in your warehouse, whether it's in your near to your house. It would be coming up in next 2 hours and 3 hours and kind of things. So this is all the AI things which have they implemented, the automations they have been implemented. Kia, now this will come. Now this insights will be there. We have to update the status like shipped. It is out for delivery. After out for delivery, it is reaches nearer to your reaches to your nearest hub, kind of things. So all these things are the things in AI and LLM is that you can continuously improve those models and everything, and it will give you the better and better results over there. There's nothing 100% perfect. It's just about the efficiency, that how you are making that efficient over there. I think it's just kind of a funniest thing for you people is just like how AI powered things are coming up right now with a lot of AR and VR things. We have AI chatbots which running 24/7. A lot of companies are right now implementing and deploying on their websites, which giving you real-time support and personalized assistance. And also some knowledge-based FAQs things also the companies are putting up over there. So you can get and help over there on the websites. And this is the last but not the least thing in this AI era. Whenever you are working with the customers for the complete resolution, the framework is that you always listen and apologize, which we are also doing it when we are doing the complaint handling in my previous slides, where we are saying the listen and acknowledge, and then we have to give the resolutions, follow up, and then we have to improvise it. But over here, you have to listen, you have to apologize, just like an acknowledgement, solve the problem for them, and lastly, you have to say the thank you for choosing us and giving us that opportunity to solve your problem and to give that thing. So in that way, the resolutions which you are giving us, you have to understand that. So in AI thing, you have to be very compassionate, you have to show them empathy, you have to be very empathized, then only you can win your customer. So this is what my last slide right now, that kind of a things which the key takeaways we can get it from this whole session right now. I hope you might be enjoyed this whole session, but I'm not completing over here. I just have a very fun thing for you all people to join this quiz, which is a live quiz for you all people. It's a kind of a quiz which I want everyone should join, and based on that answers, I have a leaderboard kind of thing that we'll see who will win this quiz, who is answering more and more right now, who have understand this thing, this whole session right now. So it's just take 5 to 10 seconds, just 5 questions are there, not much, 10-15 questions are there. So I would like everyone over here, please join this quiz, and then I'll start off, and we have a very good thing with your name. Please join this, and we'll have a very good engagement and very fun session right now. Gloria and Princey, if I just need your assistance, like if you can just little bit lead over here. If everyone joins, we can just I can just start off the things. If you can just confirm a little bit with everyone and every participants over here, um, because we have 17 participants. I would like if everyone should join 15, 16. If we have full house, then we can just start off. It would be a very fun session. Yeah, someone have been also asking some questions. I'll try to answer it also after this thing. So we have total 9 participants. 9 more have to join. Please, people, join fast. We just have a 5 to 10 seconds, and then we'll start off. It would be very great fun session for you. You will be enjoying it. Come on, guys, just 7 more people have to join. Please, people, start joining it fast. We just want to give you a very good evening after this session. I'll not take much time of yours. Please scan the code, or you can just go directly to slido.com also and just write this code. You will be entered into this room. It's, if you're getting some challenge also, please let me know. Yeah, you can use from phone also. You can just go directly to slido.com if you are using your phone and just use this password over there. You can easily use this thing. From phone, it would be very easier for you people. Just go to Google Chrome, google.com, just write slido.com. And in beginning itself, you will have this option to write the key code. You just write the secret code 3208388 and you will be enter into this room. Come on, guys. If you want, I can just help you out with my screen sharing things also. If you want, I can do that also. Okay, fine. I think we have a lot of people. Some people can also join, so I can start off the things with the due course of time. So here comes your first question. You can just please answer this thing, that what is the common use of AI in customer retention? It's very simple question. Just answer it. We'll see the next slide, and then the leaderboard, I think, leaderboard over there. Oh, so we got answers. Sorry, my bad. I'll go back. It's my bad. I got this problem over here. Yeah. 3 people already responded over here. We'll see how many people are now again responding on this thing. 5 people. Six out of 13 joined, only answered 6 questions. 6 people. Please, people answer. More and more people should answer this question. 7, 8, 3, 5 more people. Just please, just get answer on this thing. Don't think too much. Just answer it. Okay, we'll go to here. So we got most of them have answered. 88% is the predicted customer behavior. So this is the, I think, right answer. Yeah, this is the right answer for you people. Now the next question is for you people is, which AI technique helps personalize customer experience? So come on, start answering this thing. Uh, 6 people, 7 more people needs to respond. Please, people, yeah, 6 more, 5 more, 8 people, more people. Come on, you just answer it. So we have got answer. 10 people have answered, and we are getting more votes for machine learning algorithms. Let's see what will be the right answer. So here we go. And the right answer is machine learning algorithms. So you people are doing very great. I think you understood the session very correctly. Oh my God, I'm doing good. The next question is for you. Which of the following is a benefit of AI chatbots? Come on, people, can answer it. We'll see what is the results are coming up. Customer support. I think you people have read all my slides or what? So we have 14 people joined over here and we just got 3 responses. Please, come on, guys, you can just do this. Answer it. We have the leaderboard. We'll see which of the person has been won this quiz. I think 1 or 2 more questions, not more than that. We will wrap up this session. Come on, guys, please answer it. Only 3 people have answered this question.
The question is closed. We can't answer anymore.
Okay, no problem. Shall I go back to the previous slide? Now is it again visible for everyone? Might be it would be timed out, so it would be like that, might be. Yeah, now I think people are voting. It's 9 people have been voted right now. Yeah, 10 people. 11. So 24/7 customer support. This is the right answer for you people. So everyone has given the right answer, all 11 people. That's great. Fine. We have the next question for you one. How can AI analyze customer feedback effectively? We're getting answers. 11 people from 15, just 4 more people. You can answer it. Till then, we can see the responses. 12 people have responded. 3 more. We will be the full house of this. 13, 2 more. Only 2 more left. Okay, so this is how we go through data pattern recognition by automatic surveys. Let's see what is the right answer. The right answer is through data pattern recognition. Fine. So what role does sentiment analysis play in retention? I'll just try to also minimize this thing. I think I've been also just answer it. Keep active. Okay, I think we are on. Yeah, we are on the last question. Sorry, my bad. I think so. Just it's the last question. We just having it. If you don't able to see, just be a pause. I'm just reopening it. So yeah, what role does sentiment thing? So 13 people already responded on this thing, I think. So 92% understanding customer emotions, and let's see what will the right answer. Yeah, this is the right answer thing for you people. So congratulations, Kahinde. You won this quiz. You have answered all 5 questions, and within the 1 minute 12 seconds you have took. So congratulations to you, and rest of the other participants also. Congratulations to you people. You have took a lot of effort and dedication to answer these questions. So Kahinde, congratulations. I'll try to ask our community from Gloria and Gracie and everyone, so if we can have something for participant for winning person, some kind of an goodie or some kind of an appreciation certificate, winner certificate kind of thing, if we can provide to you. I'll just try to talk with them and try to arrange for you people. Kudos to Kahinde. Please congratulate to Kahinde for winning this quiz. It's a great thing.
Thank you so much, Vyas.
So thank you for your support and the patience for this thing. And the last but not least, I would like to want a survey kind of thing from your side, that if you can give me that how you like this overall session right now. So it would be great for me if you can give me that how does it look like. Come on, everyone. I would like to want to rate all of you. We have around 17 people in house, so I would like to. Nine more people are in house. You can also vote. You can give me the transparent feedback, whatever you have liked, how you like the session, any feedback for my improvisation for next time if I'm giving such kind of sessions. If you have any things which I can personalize in next sessions, so please let me know the feedback. It would be great for me. Come on, guys. We will just have a 10-15 seconds just for this thing, and then we are wrapping up this session. Uh, it was a great having a such engaging and such cooperating and supporting audience. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening me. Um just six more people left to vote this whole session. If everyone can, we just have 8 more seconds for this. We'll then wrap up. Till the other people are just voting on these things. Meanwhile, anyone from uh, audience can give me some feedback that how they like the session, the content which I have given, the engagement sessions and the questions which I ask you in between. How do you rate or how do you like it? What is your feedback? Whether it's really helpful for you right now in this transition career, this customer retention strategies which I have given to you is really helpful for you. Can anyone just give me some feedback? Meanwhile, other people are voting out. Okay, I think we are good right now. I think I have taken a lot of time. So I am stop sharing my screen also. I think I already done that. That's how we right now. Yeah, stop sharing it. Yeah, fine. Gracie and the Elevate team, I think I'm done with the day. I hope everyone enjoyed the session and everything. What is the next steps we can just take ahead? From my side, I have done, I have completed things. We can do that particular uh, formalities to wrap up this session. Gloria, Elevate Community, Princey, can we wrap up the session?
Thank you so much. I sincerely apologize today. My network has been everywhere, not been able to do so much. So, but I at least heard some of many of the things you said. So it was an insightful session. Thank you so much. And I saw the feedback in the chat earlier about, okay, it was an insightful session. Thank you, viewers. We enjoyed the session and so many others. Thank you so much, viewers. We
Thank you.
enjoyed the session. So the feedback has been amazing, and I'm so happy for how you took your time and took us through the journey. Like you broke everything down and were able to understand. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for the session. Thank you. And I totally love your
Your voice is not coming. Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, I think okay. I think might be the network is no problem. Fine, Gracie. I think we are done. We can wrap up this session. I got the feedbacks and you people. Thank you so much for arranging this and organizing this session right now. It's great to have you all.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
everyone.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.